Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel Code Seekers. So today I will be discussing an interesting topic with you, and that is how you can enable dark mode in WhatsApp. As you can see on the screen, there are two modes, two pictures of the WhatsApp. One is with the dark mode and the other is with the light mode. We all are using this one light mode of our WhatsApp because we don't know how to enable dark mode in WhatsApp, and WhatsApp also have this feature. You might be using dark mode in the Facebook, Twitter or Instagram, but there are only few which are aware of this dark mode of WhatsApp. So in this video I will be sharing with you how you can enable dark mode of WhatsApp, because light is really harmful for our eyes, especially when we are using it in the night and we can't continue our life nowadays without WhatsApp, as we are always busy on WhatsApp. So let's see how we can enable dark mode in the WhatsApp. When we open WhatsApp, go to settings and chats. As you can see, there is no option to change the theme of the WhatsApp. So here is the link you can see in the screen. Just you can also find this link in the description of the video. Just copy this link in your Chrome and go to this website. As WhatsApp don't have dark mode available in the app Play Store, so we have to download the beta version of WhatsApp from the Google. Click on the beta version and the download will start within few seconds. If you see that download is not starting, check the Chrome settings. You might have disabled the settings to download any app from Google. It will take a few minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once the file is downloaded, it's taking time. Once the file will be downloaded, just click on the file, go to settings and enable apps from downloading from the Chrome, as this feature is disabled by default, and then click on the install to install the app. We are downloading the beta version of WhatsApp, which includes the feature to change the themes of WhatsApp. Now open the WhatsApp, click on the open. It will let you to open the WhatsApp. Go to settings once again, chats, and here you can see the option of theme, from where you can change the theme to the dark, and then you can enjoy the dark theme of WhatsApp too, which is looking so beautiful. You can change the theme back to light mode from the same settings, chats, and then theme, and that's it. You can also find my other video on WhatsApp, that is how to use WhatsApp on laptop and how to use your friends' WhatsApp without letting them know. You can find the link of this video also in the description of this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends and enjoy the dark mode of WhatsApp. Thank you.